Okay, so today we're going to clean up some of yesterday's arrivals, open up a new tool haul box, and go through very quickly the restoration of that DRAPER Stanley knife. First of all, here's the quickest glimpse ever of the restored hammer, Stanley hammer from yesterday. That's that because I'm doing a restoration video on it, so that's the only glimpse you get for now. If you want to see more, you have to watch the restoration video. This is the Hazet spanner, all cleaned. It was mainly only rusty in the middle there. It's going straight on eBay for a tenner because that fits Porsches and Volkswagen kits from the 60s onwards. Oh, such a selection. What to pick next? What to pick next? Okay, I'm going to go for this dirty old Elora pipe wrench. Give that a clean, and that comes back like this. That is just a wire wheel clean. Again, decisions. I just can't choose what to pick. Padlocks, no, I'm going to go for the footprint. They are 222s. These are 10-inch. Going to clean them up again on the wire wheel, and they come back like this. I don't think I'm going to even paint them. The blades are like new. Now the Jador spanners, there's 5 of them, bit rusty down the middles, and they come up like new. They're lovely. Okay, time now for those Ace keyed like padlocks. Only one key, but it doesn't really matter. And they come back like this. They had a lovely polish. Fantastic shine on these. Really pleased how these come out. And now the DRAPER Expert sockets. These are very rusty down the middles there. Give them a polish up on the polishing wheel and stuck the wire wheel on the drill in the end to get rid of the rust. Okay, now I'm going to move on to a proper restoration, but a quick one, of this DRAPER utility knife. It does look like it was finished in a sort of hammered blue finish, but I'm not sure whether someone painted that on themselves, so I'll try something different. Both sides are very, very rough at the minute. So, over to the wire wheel with this. This is one of my softer wire wheels on a slower, less powerful bench grinder. Otherwise, it would probably just rip through it if I stuck it on the 8-inch one. Nick H, you guessed the box totally correct. It was £40 for everything, and Sparky 415, everything's adjustable, was closest on the hammer. You said 15 and it actually cost £12.95. Quickly now onto the 3M non-woven wheels, just to get in any gaps, and onto the polishing wheel. Well, it has come out very shiny and reflective. As you can see, there's a few digs, dings and marks in it, and the surface is a little bit orange peely in places. So I'm going to scuff it up again using the 3M wheels, give it a satin finish like this, but in the end I decided I'd like to paint it traditional DRAPER blue. This I think is the best finish for it. On now to shining up that little gun barrel cleaner. That did come out lovely. I'm not selling this, I'm keeping this. It's a nice unusual thing. And it's even got its name, I believe it says Spec around there. Spec 7/16. And finally the little footprint punch. That cleaned up very well. It's only 4 inches long, but it is a lovely little thing. And on to today's tool haul. Many things. I still haven't got round to cleaning up that old Barco socket I bought. Yeah. Right. I have to speed this up, don't I? This, I'm into buying Barcos now. This is a Barco spanner. That's quite a nice, I think, quite nice Barco spanners. And it turns out they are all Barco spanners. Oh, that's light, that is. That's an 18 and a 21 span. I reckon that's coming out of a toolkit. And very old toolkit. Right, they'll be getting a clean up in the future, and you'll see them again. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spanners, 2 sockets. If you can guess the price on those buggers, that would be lovely. Right, moving on. What have we got here? We've got 2 little ones. Don't know what's in there, no idea. I don't know what's in any of them actually. Got Christmas coming as well, so I'll get a kid's Christmas present out of one of these. Oh, what is it? Anyone guess what that is? Can anyone guess what that is? Well guessed, if you're watching Nash, well guessed. That is a ridiculously small, and it works, look, 4-inch footprint wrench. This is around 100 years old. I will find out some more information for the voiceover. But we can see that there. That's going to obviously be cleaned up very soon. Right. Okay. Kids' Christmas presents. And this one, no idea. Again, could be kids' Christmas presents. It is, it's kids' Christmas presents. So, that's a load of bollocks, isn't it? So, can you guess, please, how much the 4-inch footprint wrench cost me? And how much these Barco spanners were. Right. That's all for today. Here's some pictures of that nice Draper utility knife. That's all for now. Have a good evening, and bye for now.